crazy. Okay, so I'm back, and this time I'm gonna be showing you guys how I do my eyebrows. So if you have no idea what you're doing, you have never done makeup before, or you don't know how to do your eyebrows, even though you've watched so many tutorials, this one is the one for you. So let's get it started. Okay, so before you do anything, the first thing you want to do is wash your face, which I already did. And then you wanna, I like to put oil on my face because my face is a bit dry. But don't put oil on your eyebrows, okay? The first thing you're gonna need is a spoolie brush, okay? A brush like this. This is called a spoolie brush, guys. So you're gonna take your brush and you're gonna brush all your eyebrows. You're not gonna get it on the first try, so don't be, you know, disappointed when you see your eyebrows look furry or like one is different than the other. The next thing you want to do is you want to get an eyebrow pencil. You do not need to go to MAC or Sephora and get like $20, a $20 pencil. No, you don't need that. You can go to the beauty supply store, which is my favorite. So now the second important thing is light strokes, ladies and gentlemen. Always light strokes. We are going to get a concealer brush. You're going to use the longest part of the brush towards the front of your brow. So I'm going to use LA Girl Pro Concealer Chestnut. But what I like to do is I like to use one concealer on the bottom brow that is lighter than my actual skin tone, because it gives it the effect that I just got my eyebrows done. Another important part, you are going to take whatever hand that is you are not using with the concealer brush. You're going to take this hand, in this case, and you're going to put it over your eyebrow. Eyebrow porn. We're just going to take a color that is your skin color, your skin tone. In my case, it is LA Pro Girl Espresso. Now, you're gonna follow the line. Fierce, struggle, fierce, struggle. Pish. Pish. Alright. Alright. Jeez. We have a love-hate relationship.